I'm a zoning and land use attorney. I've practiced for over 30 years. My clients develop real estate. They are either developers or institutional clients. So developers could be people developing or renovating shopping centers or multifamily housing, commercial offices, commercial office parks, things of that sort all around. And mixed use is a big type of development these days. Institutional clients are folks who own land that don't always develop property, but they have to add to it. So you might have a school or you might have a country club. So it's both in the front of the camera, if you will, where you're in front of the government or officials, but also behind, if you will, in terms of drafting, writing documents and the like. So it goes all across the spectrum. I have a background, I'm a CPA, as well as a lawyer, and I had a small period of time when I did some investment banking and traveled nationally for various projects that were financed by bonds. And in the course of that, I learned more and more about the development of a property, and I was intrigued by the people who were working on that and the necessity of getting approvals before you could even finance a project. And so when I returned to private practice, I started taking cases in that area because I liked the combination of the technical and the political, the interrelations with the community and the like. And so it has a broad demand, or it has a broad gamut of types of uses or skill sets that you need. And so that's what intrigued me to do that. Right, so first, Bean Kinney, I'm glad to be a member of. I'm very proud of that. Bean Kinney has a good, solid business law and other law reputation in the area, and so I'm glad to be a part of that. What I add to it is the component with respect to the land use and development and related skills that go with that, as I was explaining earlier. And yet at the same time, there are folks at Bean Kinney who are experienced in leasing and litigation and contracts generally and the like. And I think the value proposition for Bean Kinney is a lot of knowledgeable people in a relatively small firm. It's not tiny, it's 40-some lawyers. That's a good size. They're rooted in the area, they have long-standing clients, and so our value proposition is we know what's going on. We have an overhead system and the like that's not going to break the bank of every client that we have because we're smaller, so we have less demands in that regard. Yet at the same time, we've got the skill set and the experience to be able to deliver and work with our clients. And so it's a great combination, I think.